Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you always want to buy a Rolls-Royce, for example, I want to show you how to do that. I'm saying about investment in the stock market, and this is absolutely crazy and absolutely amazing because you can be the owner of the Rolls-Royce. Not the car, but the company in general. For example, Rolls-Royce and many more. I want to share with you the platform that I'm using to invest in the stock market, and this is great platform because it's most suitable for my purposes, and this is absolutely simple platform that everybody can handle with. All the useful links I left in the description panel of this video, so watch it till the end, and I'll explain how to invest in the stock market. Let's go. Here you see the Rolls-Royce. Right now I have already a 15% of profit, and I believe that the company will grow. How to understand it will grow or it will fall? You see the downgoing trend right now. There's a bottom, there's a second bottom, and it's near to the third bottom. But that means that if the company was right here, such high levels, that this company will grow anytime soon. And I bought for $1,000, and right now I have 161.5, for example. And this is just one day. And if you're holding the stocks for a longer time, you can make more money, of course. So you need to diversify your portfolio and invest not in one stock, but in like 2 or 3 or 5 or how many you want. For example, right here in this platform, there's 185 stocks available right now. Some of them are closed, some of them are opened right now, and there's interesting names. Tesla, for example, it will open in 3 hours, but the company is growing. As you can see, there was a fall right here, but the company is growing. I know this company, I love this company, and I believe that Tesla will be forever. I hope that it will be forever. And you all know these cars, these amazing cars from Elon Musk, and this is a great company. And the point of this platform is that asset is closed right now, but you can buy it. And I want to buy, for example, for $3,000. You can use smaller amounts of money, but I can handle 3,000 bucks. And I know that the company will grow, then I will buy and pending order created. So when the asset will be opened, the platform will buy for me the assets, the stocks of this asset. That's cool. And the point is, I have the portfolio right now, and you see that almost the most part of it is in the red zone right now. But if you watch the companies, Apple, for example, I bought it right here, and I know that the company will grow because everybody knows that this fall Apple will show their okay, where's that? Apple will show the new phone, the new iPhone 12, and of course the company will grow. Of course it will grow. So I bought the stocks of this company, and now I am the owner, small one, but owner of this company. And this is very interesting because if you try to open your own business at least once or twice, you know that this is complicated. And right here on this platform, you can be a part of a company, you can be an owner of a company, the small one, but the owner of the company. And you can hold the stocks and you will get the dividends if you hold the stocks enough of time. So a lot of companies paying the dividends for holding stocks for a year, for example. And the company is closing the year, it's financial things and stuff. Companies closing the year, they're getting their profit, and the profit is spent for all the people who have the stocks. So if you have the stocks of this company, you will get the profit. Or you can make money on the growth of this company. So right now it's minus 9%, for example, and I don't want to close this position right now because like I have loss right now. I don't have a profit, but I will have a profit in 1 week, for example. As you can see, there's a great widget right here that shows how all the traders on the platform making their decisions. So a lot of people, up to 90%, believes that the company will grow, and I want to buy more. I will buy more, 3,000. Okay, right in this spot. Here you go. I bought. There's a small fee for these actions, but I will get back this money for sure because the company is growing and a lot of people think that this company will grow. If you want to get to the platform and to try to invest by yourself, go to the description panel of this video, find the links and try to invest. Go to this stocks list, choose the company that you like, choose the company that you know, choose the company that well known in the world. Google, for example. Let's see what's happening with Google. All right, it's a little bit on the bottom. Let's say, for example, I want to invest $500 to sell the stocks of this company. The company is now on the down-going trend, as you can see, and it continued to fall. And this will be the good example of using the stock market for like weeks or days, when my profit will be like 10% or 15% or 7%. Never, it's okay, it's great when the company is moving to the side that you need it. Let's see. You see the small movements, but in general that was falling, and this trend is continued to be like there was a little bit jump and down. Now it's growing, but anytime soon, because you see the trend was down going, small, smooth, but down going, and now it's growing a little bit, but it will fall, and I will close my position when I'll have, for example, 10% of profit, and that's it, and that's enough, and this is a couple days. So you can make money in days, in minutes, and in seconds, and this is very interesting. So you can buy a part of a Google company. Just think about it a little bit. You can buy a Google. Cool, isn't it? Guys, thanks for watching this video till the end. Go to the description panel, find the links and join to the platform. Start investing. And I'm sure that you're gonna like it 100%. Thank you so much. Watching the next, please kindly asking you to subscribe to my channel to watch the next videos, and see you soon. Bye.